Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the search engine in the address bar of MI Browser on your phone. This is a useful feature for those who prefer using Google, Bing. First, unlock your phone and open the MI Browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe at the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, find the option labeled Search Engine in the address bar and click on it. Now, you will see a list of available search engines. Choose the one you prefer, such as Google or Bing, by simply tapping on it. Finally, the selected search engine will be set as the default for all searches in your MI browser address bar. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.